All right, guys, greeting you all and welcome you to my YouTube channel. It's always a pleasure to have you here. All right, come on, let's do this together. Let's do this wonderful boom and crash strategy together. Although here we are going to be talking about how to scalp the market and make massive profits with this one. Okay, you can see I'm trading already. I'm trading Crash 500 and I have my TP. Once I knew that it's going to get to my TP and it will hit that, and then I will make that profit and leave the market. And I also want to let you know that most time you don't just depend so much about spiking and all the rest of that. Think how to scalp, You don't need to do much. You can have your target at 5 candlestick or 10 candlestick, depending on the trend of the market. If you have your market, if you have analyzed the market very well, like here now, I can tell you that this is going to hit my CP because I have also go down the higher time frame and see what the trend looks like. Okay. I'm sorry guys. Here, if you're trading crash, you want to see the market when it's on uptrend. Okay, if you check the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, you see that this market is an uptrend market. Check 5 minutes, you can see it's an uptrend market. So, and you also wait for the indicator to also get to a point where you have to sell, which I am going to, where you have to buy. You have to wait for indicator. You have to wait for this market to spike up and get to this area, to this bot area, where you have to enter the market and scalp. Maybe have your target at 10 candlestick and leave the market. All right, more of that will be said. More of that will be said on this video. But before I go further on that, I want to also beg you to subscribe to my channel and like my videos and turn up your notification for more of my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my video. I want to let you know that I am doing all this. I am putting my time, putting all of this work to make sure that I bring up good strategies so you can apply it and win in your trading. So you also do well to pay me back by subscribing to my channel and like my video. Please, I want to say thank you for doing that. And for every one of you that have subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. All right. So let me also tell you that I also have some programs that I run here. Okay. If you want me to manage your account for you, I can manage your account for you. And whatever we make out for the day, we can split it 50-50 and go our way. So this trade is about to hit my TP. All right. Once it hits my TP, it goes off. All right. And I will make that money. All right. So, I also have the mentorship class here too. All right. So if you want to join up the mentorship class that is ongoing, you can as well contact me so you can be taught so many things about trading. So you can be taught so many things about trading. I mean about forex. All right. So if you want mentorship, you can contact me for that. If you also want to join the VIP group, you can as well contact me for that. For VIP group, you can see this trade that is ongoing. The VIP guys are also taking digs. Okay, my TP has been hit. All right, the VIP guys are also enjoying this this trade that is ongoing right now. All right, so so if you want to join the VIP group, you can as well call in for that. And there's also a free Telegram channel that is also there where I drop most of the results that I make out from my VIP group. I drop it there so that you can see that we are not joking here. We are well over this and people are making money every day. So if you want to join the VIP group and make money as day breaks, you can join and make plenty money. All right. Of course, what I do there is to drop good signals. Any signal I'm going to be trading, I will drop it to my VIP group. They can trade that and make money too for themselves. All right. So if you want to join the VIP group, you can call in for that. So how do you join? How do you call in for all of this? While you're seeing this video, you can go through the description of this video. You will get my WhatsApp number. You are going to get my Telegram link as well too. So through those links, you can, through those contacts, you can contact me and we'll discuss whatsoever you want to bring up for us to discuss. You can discuss that. And again, in case you are not satisfied, you're getting confused, some part of this video as you're seeing it, you can as well comment, okay, and drop some good comment if this strategy do you well. If you like the strategy, make sure you comment good about it too. All right, let's just assist ourselves here. All right, so like I've said before, there's a group called the VIP group. If you're interested for me to manage your account and whatever we make up for the day, we split it 50-50. You can call in for that. If you want mentorship, you can as well call in for that. All right, so that is it. That's how we do it here. All right, I'm going to take you back to the business while we are here now. So like I've told you before, I'm trading Crash 500. All right, my TP has been knocked out already, so I've got my profit already. So now I want to tell you how this works. Okay, you can see my indicator settings, they are here already. So one thing I want to do now is to get these indicators out, so you can watch me how I place them and watch how you can place them to and make profit too. And I'm going to also share with you the area you can enter the market and make profit. You know, all of that I'm going to share with you too while we are seeing this video. Always try and watch my video to the end, because there's a lot of information you'll be missing if you don't watch to the end. So watch the video to the end so you get every information, all the information about this video. All right, thank you. All right. So one thing I also want to let you know about this whole trading stuff, you know, this business is one thing you have to apply patience. Again, you have to also assess the indicator. You know, while you are depending on indicators to get to you also need to apply that price action. You know what the trend looks like. You know, you identify with when the trend, when you have the market on the downtrend, when you also have the market on the uptrend. You know, when the market, if you're trading crash, you have to target the market when it's on uptrend so you can scalp and make some good profit. I mean, I can tell you that if you scalp 5 candlesticks on each trade you enter, maybe boom or crash, you trade that like 4 or 5 times a day, you'll be making some money. And I also want to let you know that, you know, while you're trading all of this, you also need to set up a target for yourself. You don't need to trade anything that comes your way, okay? You don't need to trade all days, okay? Before you start recording some losses, you need to have target for yourself. Once I have hit maybe $20, maybe $10, maybe $30, maybe $50, maybe $40, you know, once I hit up, it depending on the equity. Once I hit some, I am quitting for the day. You know, look for some other thing to do for the day and leave the market space for that moment and plan yourself maybe for tomorrow or some other time. All right, so always have a target while you're trading forex. All right, and patience is key too. Okay, so do all of that, and trust me, you're going to win in your trading, and you won't record loss. All right. So now let me get this thing off, so you can watch me how I place them and make all of this money. All right. So this is it. This is it. So this is the first indicator I'm adding. This one is for the main chart, all right? This is for the main chart. This is for the main chart. So let me delete so you can watch me how I place them and can follow up, right? Can follow up. So I'm deleting all of this. They're all out. So the first indicator I'm going to be adding here is a moving average, which goes with the main chart. So this is going to be the parameters. This is going to be the parameter. So this is the parameter. So you can take note of this. I don't have that time, so you can screenshot, take note of this. So these are the information you need for this one. So I'm done with this. So I have this blue line, which is the moving average across my main chart, all right? So the next indicator I am going to be adding here is going to be the relative strength index, which is here, all right? So this is also the information you need. These are the parameters, all right? So you also do this, the color, you can use a color of your background, either black or white, but let it be a color of your background, all right? And this is the level, okay? This 10 level is the take profit level, and this is the oversold area, the 90 level, and the 10 level is the overbought area, all right? So I'm done with this. So I've got my indicator window 1 ready now, all right? So I'm going to add some indicator in there, all right? This one will go with the indicator window 1, which is called the MACD. So I'm adding the MACD, and this is the information I'm using on the MACD. All right, this is the information, so you can screenshot this information and just follow up what you are seeing. Color, you can use any color of your choice. All right, so I'm done with this. So I've got this information ready here. So the next indicator I'll be adding here is called the moving average, which goes with the indicator window 1. All right. So this is the moving average, but this time the parameters is going to be 1. The period is going to be 1, and every other thing should be as good as the first one. All right. So I've got this. I've got this ready. All right. I've got this ready. So can change color, you can use any color of your choice. So I'm done with this phase. All right. So this is how we do it. So now what is done left is knowing when to buy and when to sell. Like I've told you, before you want to scalp here, like we are talking about how to scalp the market, our target should be 10 candlesticks, and then we'll leave the market. All right. So if you can also, also maybe for little equity, who does not have that, who doesn't want to hold for that long, for 10 candlesticks, you can as well to have a target of 5 candlesticks and move the market and make profits for yourself. Trust me, all you need to do is just to analyze the market very well. Like before I trade this now, I'll have to go to a higher time frame, right? I want to check. Now you see this market, it's an uptrend. Check, this is a 5-minute time frame. This is an uptrend market. So I can easily scalp once the indicator indicates that get to the area that I should scalp. I will scalp, all right, because this is an uptrend market. This is 15 minutes. You can also see it's an uptrend, all right. You know, this is crash. So I'm going back to my my M1, my 1-minute time frame, all right. So now, if I am to trade here, which I have traded here already, I've gotten this. So if I'm to trade here now, so I want to wait. I will not trade here now again because the market has gone for already. So I want to wait for these spikes to come up again. And once the spike hit up and goes down to this point, and I come back to my window 1 here, this indicator window 1, and I see this moving average, I mean this line drop to this overbought area, the 10 level. The next thing I will do is to enter the trade, having known that the market is an uptrend market. If I'm trading crash, so the next thing I will do is to enter the market, and I have my target on 10 candlestick, and I leave the market as soon as possible. Trust me, you are making out something and leave the market. So if you want to trade crash too, you should be able to do the same thing too. All right, you should be able to do the same thing too. So this is boom. If you're trading boom this time, we'll be talking about crash now. If you're trading boom this time, so this is what you do, all right? If you're trading boom, so you can see here, if you're trading boom now, what you need to do is to wait for this area, having checked your other higher time frames, how the trend looks like, all right, is to wait for this market to get to this oversold area, which is here. You can see the market sold all the way down, up. You can see it selling down. You can see all of this. You can have your 10 candlestick and leave the market. And one thing I also want to let you know, if you don't know how to hold trade for a long time, one thing you need to learn how to do is to analyze the trade well and also learn how to hold trade for a long time, all right? It will help you. Learn how to analyze your trade well and learn how to hold your trade for a long time. So this is what I'm saying. You can see here, you have your 10 candlestick, you move out. So this is how it works. All right? So it has good, it's very accurate. This strategy is very accurate. It pays you more than waiting when you catch spike that you don't know. Sometimes you need to scalp 5 candlesticks, 10 candlesticks, you leave the market, you position yourself for another one. Before you know, you're gathering something. You're gathering some things for yourself and making much profit. All right? So at this point, I want to leave you. I want to say to you again, please do subscribe to my channel and like my video. If you're interested, you can join the VIP group so you can also win like every one of them in there that is winning. All right? I've dropped some good trade today, which they have made profit already today. If you want me to manage your account for you, you can also call in. I will manage your account for you. Whatever we make out for the day, we'll split it, all right? Okay. Also, if you want to join mentorship class that is ongoing, you can also call for in, all right? So at this point, I'll be leaving you, and I want to wish you well in your trading, and stay blessed until we meet again. Wish you well in your trading. Bye.